Welcome to Home Matters, the podcast where we break down everything you need to know about protecting your home, your wallet, and your peace of mind. I'm Sophia, and today we're diving right into a hot topic that affects millions of homeowners. Why is home insurance getting so expensive?
It's like going to the grocery store and finding milk is now twice the price, and your insurance premiums feel the same way. So why the spike?
First off, let's talk about repairs. The cost of materials like lumber and steel has skyrocketed. When disasters strike, it costs more to fix your home, and so insurers have to adjust their prices.
Speaking of disasters, we're seeing more extreme weather now than ever. From hurricanes to wildfires, insurance companies are paying out more claims, which ultimately leads to higher premiums for all of us.
And then there's inflation. Yes, our old friend. It impacts everything, including insurance, as insurers also buy reinsurance, essentially insurance for themselves, which is getting pricier too.
So what can you do about it? First, shop around. Don't just renew your policy, compare options. And consider bundling your home and auto insurance. It could save you a pretty penny.
Also, look for discounts. From loyalty rewards to claims-free bonuses, there might be savings hiding in your policy.
The future, expect more use of smart tech in homes to lower costs and maybe even policy reforms.
Stay tuned, stay informed, and don't hesitate to reach out with questions. This is Sophia signing off from Home Matters. Your home deserves the best.